What's up, fam? We back at it again. April 13th. It's almost 12 a.m. Just came back from dinner at Granny's place. Very nice dinner. Um, yeah, back at it. So this one, still don't really know how to do, so I'm gonna stick with for now. Hash set, don't really know what that is. Hash map, I kind of know what that is, but don't want to do that. Um, so here I'm gonna do this one. 你擺到我處理. Thanks. All right, let's see. Convert binary number in a linked list to integer. Given head, which is a reference node to a single linked list, the value of each node in the linked list is either 0 or 1. Sure. The linked list holds the binary representation of number, return the decimal value of the number in the linked list. The most significant bit is the head of the linked list. Sure. So 101, which would be 1 plus 2, 4, right? 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Sure. Okay. Shouldn't be too difficult. So my first initial thought is I traverse a list to find the amount of elements in the list, and then I just align exponent. Right. So let's say if it's 5 nodes in the list, then the first one will be 2 to the power of 4, right? Yep, because the last one will be 2 to the power of 0, right? Okay, so cool. If head then you return 0, right? This is for the case when head is null. So if it's not null, then it means there are at least one element in the list. So I'll traverse the list, right? And display, and then head equals to head. Next. Okay. Now that I've traversed the list, I'll make another traverse because just to make it easier to track. Yep. 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 Oh, sorry, this should be 1. Okay, and then okay, now I'll have to I just go expand. This will be 0. So yeah. So the first one and then the head. And here I'll introduce a variable called sum. 0. Next sum would be equals to what? Head value. No. If head values equals to 1, then what would happen? This would be math.how to the exponent, right? And then exponent would minus return sum. While head, I guess. and then head next, right? While head is valid, if head is equals to 1, then, so let's say it's here. While temp next is valid, then plus length plus exponent, temp plus 1, and I'm here, 2, and I'm here, so no more. So this would be 0, 1, 2, right? So exponent would be 2, yep. So while head, if it's 1, this would be 2 to the power of 2, so it's 4. So exponent would become 1, head would go to the head next, and then this would be exponent 1, and it's not, so it doesn't add. Exponent minus 1, head goes next, blah, blah. Okay, should work. Fuck. Huh? Is that it? I know it's C math, so do I include C math, and then I can do like this, maybe? Or can I exclude this and would it still work? Oops. Okay, it would work. Okay, it does work, but memory is shite. Why? Okay, let's see. La 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 la. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, true. True, true, true. This would still be O N, right? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Um, sure, let's look at this one. This exponent. Yeah, so it's literally my solution, sure. Um, if they're changing, okay, sure. Int res equals to 0. While head result equals to result times 2 plus head value. How does that work? Res times 2. Let's say it's 101. Let's just say it's 101. All right. Res equals to 0. Then res will become 0 times 2 plus 1. And then 1 times 2 plus 0. And then 2 times 2 plus 1. What the fuck? How does that work? Let's say it's that, right? And this will become what? Yep, you say bot. So this is 13, right? So res will be 1. 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times 6. 13. Wow, I'm amazed. How does this work? Wow, amazing. Really kind of amazed. That's so crazy. I would have never got that. How does that work, man? Yeah, yeah. Double value for the leftmost digit is 0.0 times 2. I don't get it. I want to understand this. I do want to understand this. So how does this work? Convert binary to decimal iterative, right? Hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna ask AI. I don't care. Please explain this to me. I don't understand the logic behind this. It's a left shift. It's a, I think. Hmm. Okay, after I understand this, I'll call it a day. Then tomorrow I will. Where's this one? Minimum pair removal to sort array. Hmm. There's not like those questions. This is just sorting question. No. I guess I'll do a medium, or maybe tomorrow I am going to work on. Tomorrow I'm going to work on search and sorting algorithms. So maybe I will attempt one of those. You know, but as you can see, a lot of linked list stuff. I mean, I want to do all of them. It's going to take a bit more time. Anyways, let's see. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Oh, oh my God. Okay. Wow, that's genius. Wow, that's actually kind of genius. That is very, very smart. That is very, 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 very smart. Okay, I get it. So it's like, yeah, so pushing the bit left, so pushing the bit left. Yeah, okay, sure. Very smart. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Yeah, tomorrow I'll do one of these, I guess. Nodes and pairs versus. Okay, so it's just pointing to different ones. That doesn't seem too difficult. Sure, I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, team building team. See you tomorrow. Peace.